Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Game Launcher on your Samsung phone. But first we start, I just wanted to mention that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to the settings. After that, scroll down to the advanced features, and here you can see Game Launcher. If you want that on, click on that, and it says that organize all your games all in one place and access extra features that enhance your gameplay experience. So if you want that, I will show you how it looks like. Here is the Game Launcher, and it says that play instant games with no installation and much more to make your gaming great. So let's continue. Continue to allow access to usage data. Record your gameplay time accurately. You need to allow usage tracking. You can select allow, and here are the games, and you can choose whichever you like. I hope this was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.